Hi there, I'm Marie Getz with Long Realty in Tucson, Arizona, and this is Nathania Chaney with Prosperity Mortgage, and she's also in Tucson, Arizona, and we work in the same building actually. So we like to do videos to educate buyers about how the market's doing, how interest rates are going, and just there's a lot of decisions to make, and so we try to help out with that and make the decision-making process a little bit easier. If you've been on the fence about buying a house or a townhome, condo, whatever, for a while, maybe some of the things we talk about can give you some insight and help you make the right decision. And our topic today is home values and interest rates. So everybody knows that interest rates have gone up a little, and well, I think not that too bad, but they've started out at 4% at the beginning of the year in 2022, and now they're a little above 6%. And we were warned that the feds were going to increase interest rates this year, so everybody was warned about that. A lot of buyers think that this higher interest rates are going to cause the home values to really drop, and we're not seeing that. So we're seeing them drop a tiny bit. For example, according to the Metro Tucson housing report that I put out each month, that comes from Long Realty, home prices dropped from July to August only 1%. Interest rate went up 1%. So we're not seeing a huge decline and a dramatic decrease in home values, and we don't expect to, but the interest rates are expected to go up a little bit. So what we want to talk about today is the cost of waiting to buy a home. A couple of years ago, I had a buyer who said he wanted to wait, and now he's been priced out on the market with the home values going up and interest rates going up. So we're not sure what he's going to do. All we know now is he's overpaying for rent, and he's in a bad situation.
Also speaking with clients this week, and I've heard from so many people that their rent has been increased drastically, that their landlord has all of a sudden imposed $150, $200, $300 rent increase.
Right.
And so now people are scrambling in the market to be able to find something a little bit more affordable. And so while it can sound discouraging to some people that interest rates have gone up and they don't want to necessarily buy a home, you know, one of the things that I try to remind people is that when you are in a fixed payment, it is exactly that.
Yeah.
Your principal and interest payment won't change. Things like your HOA, your property taxes, your homeowner's insurance, those can see some changes. But when you're fixed into a fixed interest rate, that is where you can have some security in terms of what your monthly payment will be. And there is a slide that Marie's going to put on that I'm kind of referencing right now. And this is regarding if you bought a home for $375,000. If you had bought this home 60 days ago when the interest rate was 4.5%, your payment would be $1,520 per month. Now that we're over 6% on the interest rate, that same purchase, your monthly payment is now $1,799 per month. So that is a difference of over $200. That is just from an interest rate. Now, please don't be worried that later on down the road you can't refinance when the rates do come back down. Right now, there's a lot that is going on financially that we won't necessarily deep dive into with this video, but a lot of our interest rates from the mortgage realm are tied to the 10-year treasury and also with what's happening in inflation right now. And so hopefully once everything kind of normalizes and becomes a little bit more harmonious, we'll see those interest rates come back down. And so you can have an opportunity to refinance. But a couple of things to keep in mind when you get into a fixed interest rate, your payment is fixed, so you don't have to worry about your landlord coming in and increasing your rent price dramatically.
Yeah.
And we are seeing that the rates continue to go up. And so the sooner that you can get into the rate before they continue to go up, the more affordable your housing payment will be as well.
You need a great realtor. I'm here to help you, and happy clients are my specialty. So thanks for watching, and we'll do another video again in the near future. Thank you.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.